Good day, everybody. This is BV Venture. I'm going to train you on how to use your sponge to mold fascinator. This is the sponge. Look at it. Look at the sponge. It's not the one. It's not the local sponge we are using to bath, but it's made like this. It looks like a sponge. Then it's very soft in the hand. You have your sponge. You have your paper mat and your mold, your pin, your ear cream, your stiffener. Now, what you first do is that you wrap your mold with nylon, as I've done it like this. Then take ear cream or Vaseline, rub it in your hand and rub it on the mold. Then open your paper mat. This is your paper mat. Fold it into two. Fold your paper mat into two. Then, after you have rubbed your mold with cream, place your mold on it. Then turn it up. Place your sponge. And then use your hand to spread it very well to make it to cover the mat. You can use water. You can use water to spray it if you want it like that. But my own, I'm not going to use water. Cut it. Then turn it with the mat and pin it. Use your hand to spread the see it. Anywhere that is just not covered well, you can still spread the sponge, because we are going to use stiffener to press it down. Now, you are going to put your stiffener. Use your stiffener to stiffener it. Immediately you use your stiffener to stiffener it, all this sponge will gum with the paper mat, spread it, and when it's dry, remove and design. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.